Yeah. There we go. All the online beta testers. Why, thank you. Wait, I wasn't on. In line. All our fans, free running courses in Sunday games, upgrading faster children code, government books, and pets. No sheep or ducks were harmed in the making of this game. So yeah, Spyro reference. Yay! Because there were no sheep. You know there were no sheep. Were there?
What do you mean we
I love this.
teleport to a planet?
I'm afraid we're well out of range, sir. Perhaps if you had bothered to specify a destination.
When will
Ow.
we be in range?
Oh, I'm sure something will come along in, say, 5 or 10,000 years.
I don't believe this. Now what?
I don't suppose you can play drums.
I love that. Cool. Congratulations, Ratchet, on defeating Dr. Nefarious. At this point, you can time warp back to just before you finish the game with Square, or you can enter Challenge Mode with Circle. In Challenge Mode, you start a new game against tougher enemies, but all of your experience, weapons, armor, and money from the current games carry over. There are other surprises as well. Challenge Mode. I'll save over that. Played for 12 hours. Really? Okay then. Did get everything though. Haha, my blogging skipping cutscene with devours your skipping cutscene. Yeah, you've seen it all already. I just want to get Belden out of the way, if I'm being honest, in this part. Okay. Yes, now this is the time where you have to pick your quick select. I'm going to pick the stuff that hasn't been upgraded, so this, and this. Wow, that's actually amazing. Not many hasn't been upgraded, if I'm being honest. Yes. Okay, the more enemies you destroyed, the times 4. You see the top right corner, there's times 4. The more time you have is, yeah, you'll get the idea soon enough. Trust me. Shut up. These the correct rangers. Yeah. No. That's why I say upgrade. Because everything upgrades mighty quickly in this game now. And I mean everything. Absolutely everything upgrades insanely quickly. Only pretty much the first few worlds for some reason. It upgrades a lot quicker for the first few. Not sure why. Just does. Don't know why. Just does. Shut up. They won't get it. They can't get it. There's no way. Oh, screw it. And upgrade. Yeah, you can see why I said do the upgrade thing. Because, I mean, look at it. Doing the upgrade thing finally pays off. Supercharge will be free. Now green. We're going green. Alright, let's use the dark. I like the dark. I like the dark grey of death. The dark grey of death is cool. Oh, shit, upgrades mighty quickly. Oh yeah, did I mention? Oh yeah, I may as well upgrade these guys. Come on, destroy it. You can do it. I have faith in you guys. Well done. You may not destroy those guys. No, don't do it. Oh, didn't think so. Yeah, those guys are mine. Yeah, it's unbelievable how effective it is. It's awesome though as well. Let's use the mini-turret. Come on, upgrade it. Shoot me over here. Oh yeah, that's how it's done. That is how you do shit in this game. And this is becoming a big free about now. Yeah, is it easy to upgrade or what? This would have taken forever in the old version. Not anymore. These to collect rangers. Goodbye. Moving on. Not hard. Oh, and look, have you noticed the amount of bolts that I have? If you hadn't, so I'd like you to look at the amount of bolts that I have. It's going up a lot more. Come on, quicker and quicker and quicker, because it's times 5.
What's the situation?
We know the situation, we've done it before. Ha ha ha. Sorry, I may be skipping a lot of the cutscenes apart from the ones that I love. Just because I can. One, I can, and two, there's no need to show them again because I've already done it. This is just showing you, I'm just playing through the game again because I need to show you everything that has changed, and basically how to upgrade stuff. And how did I lose 70 health in one hit? Explain to me that. What the hell just happened? No, really though, explain how that happened. Oh yeah, these guys are good at quite a lot. You're welcome. Going. I'm going. Oh look, it's an nearly upgraded killer. It's a D4. How easy is that? Very.
Look out!
Oh yeah, they kill the others now, by the way, when they turn into vicious, evil bastards. Yeah, I'm now pretty much unbeatable, if you couldn't tell. I'm just pointing that out. I just felt the need to point that out, just so you are aware, but I am pretty much undefeatable right now. Upgrade.
Destroy that vehicle!
Done. I'm now pretty much undefeatable. I love it.
We have a transmission!
Understood. The Piranha Sea Beast. And it was holding a banana. Well, maybe it wasn't a banana. It could be one of nature's mysteries. I know some of you are going to go, oh, why are you skipping the cutscenes, man? Well, I've already done them. Why would I need to show them again? I'm just showing you the gameplay changes. Which there are a lot, surprisingly. Now, this is where things get fun. The mega weapons. You can upgrade mega weapons. You can also buy new weapons which weren't on sale before. Like this handy thing which I'm buying. That's what I'm going for next. If you couldn't tell. That's my next play. Because I'm duck isn't standing on anything, but whatever. Yeah, my next play is that. You notice I'm at times 4 right now. No, not times 4, times 14. You notice that, and I get the times 2 over here. How much do you think I'm going to get? Times 28. Oh yeah, 40,000. And this is just the scraps that you get at the start of the game. The small 300s you can get at the start, which seems like a lot. Wait till you get to the middle, when you get the loads. You haven't seen nothing yet. This is just the beginning. One problem is, if it does hit your shield, I think it does dumb it down. Even if it does hit your shield. So it doesn't take away your health, but it does dumb your thing down, so be careful about that. The combos can go down quickly still. I thought they were here. Oh no, they aren't, it's over there. Sorry, I'm being stupid. The Piranha Sea Beast. But yeah, this level is unbelievably easy, as you can tell. As you can tell, this is just the easiest thing in the world now. Oh well. I'll probably have to go for challenge mode 1 or 2 times if I want to get the Insomniac Museum, just because there is quite a lot of changes and stuff. And it's hard to upgrade all the weapons. I may do the weapons off camera and stuff. Probably will, don't know. I haven't decided yet. efficiency. LOL. That's all I can say. LOL. I dare you to attack me from there. Big mistake. Bye. Open it up. And you're dead. That wasn't tough. Rather easy, I think. Anything here? Yes. Alright, bye. Oh look, my attack's increased again. Look at that. See how easy this game is now? By the way, I should probably note, Psycho 7 is doing less of challenge mode with me, so... not all of it, just some of it. Because he won't be able to do it all the time, I don't think. But yeah. Bye. This will be B5 soon. I wonder if I can turn Corp into a duck. A rather good question, actually. That is a great question. Can I turn him into a duck? I don't care much for this cutscene, so skipping. I don't need any ammo, do I? Well, I do need One Piece ammo. Oh god, One Piece. I could die by that news. Tesla things are bleeding a bit more as well. Go! Speeding up. See how easy this game is? It's just unbelievably cool though. I still love it, despite the fact it's really easy now. Who wouldn't? The game still works really well, despite the fact that you're technically cheating the entire game, but yeah. That's challenge mode for you. Cheating. I wanted to kill them. LOL, fail game. You missed me. Should have went faster. Oh dear. Okay, that was my fault. My fault alone. I'll take the complete blame for that, because that was my stupidity. That was actually my stupidity. There was nothing else involved there. Yep, there you go. Returning to devil ducks of death. It's awesome now. Right, let's use this one. The 5 weapons I need to upgrade are right here. The rhino comes next. Yeah, that duck thing is not going to die, is it? I'm guaranteed. Ooh, am I dead? No, I'm not. My shield's protecting me, interesting. Fascinating. Somehow my shield protected me. Well done. B. It can be. You can do it too if I do. You're going to get a massive upgrade from this guy. A huge upgrade you shall receive. There you go. Going on board the Starship Phoenix, and then we're done. For now, I'll end it. But how cool is that, Daddy-O? This game has just gotten better. Don't need to see this cutscene, not needed. Even though it's called Display Gun V4 already. I wonder, can I buy it and get the final skill point? I know it's on sale. How much is it? No, I can't. Oh, there we go. That's weird. Not quite. Nearly. Very nearly. Soon. Soon indeed. Let me put a smile on that face. Joker style. Put a smile on that face of yours.